Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. In this video, I am going to show you my 2021 Franklin Planner. It is called the Carrara Daily Ring-Bound Planner. It is a daily planner with a day on 2 pages. If you follow my videos, you know that I love the daily planner. This is the current planner that I'm using now in 2020. It's a daily planner, it's a day on 2 pages, and I picked the Carrara planner because I felt that the format was similar because I absolutely love this original format. Now the colors will be different on this new planner for 2021, so I'm looking forward to opening the package and seeing how this looks. So as you can see, the original daily planner has like a greenish tint to it, which I really like. The green is very neutral, it's just enough color for me. I love it. This video is not sponsored by Franklin Planner, but I want to thank them for sending me this planner to do an honest review. Also, you can save money on the franklinplanner.com website by using discount affiliate promo code Tonya Plans. I have placed this planner in my Tyler leather binder just to make it easier for me to show you the planner pages and flip through them. So the first page that you get is a harder cardstock page where you can write down your personal information such as your name, address, and phone number. And on the back are 3 years of annual calendars for 2021, 2022, and 2023. And let me show you this up close so you can kind of get an idea of the font that is used in this planner. So this tells me that this planner will probably be okay for both men and women alike. The next page is a Franklin Planner information quick start guide, and it talks about the daily steps to planning, how to prioritize your task, and on the back it talks about the productivity pyramid. So now we're getting into the actual planner pages themselves. And as you can see with the Carrara planner, on the side here is like a marble design with gray and white marble there. It's very classy. And at the top here, it looks like the colors will be this light gray is what they'll use. So this page is called the January 2021 Index. So this is the page just kind of used as a table of contents. And at the bottom here, there are 3 calendars, one for the current month, one for the prior month, and one for the future month. On the tabs, let me give you a close-up of the tabs. Now the tabs are laminated, so that means that they should be able to hold up to heavy use because most people use their monthly tabs a lot. They'll grab them and flip to that month with these tabs. So they are all a gray color there, very neutral. So I think that this planner is going to be great for those who are more minimalistic, those who don't like a lot of color in their planner. Or on the flip side, this planner might be great for those who want to use stickers and come up with their own color schemes. Because you have just a neutral palette, those that enjoy stickers could probably just go to town with something like this. So this is the first month that we're seeing here. This is January 2021. It is a month on 2 pages, and I like when my month is spread out across 2 pages because that gives you more room to write in the block. Now one thing that I like about this monthly format here is that you see lines, and lines in the calendar there helps your handwriting stay straight. I prefer lines on my monthly calendar as opposed to not having lines. So I like this a lot. Also, as you can see on these monthly calendar pages, on the monthly planner pages, there are the moon phases are listed in the blocks, and also you have holidays listed. As you can see, there's Martin Luther King Jr.'s Day. And over here to the right is a section for notes. On the back of the month, and it's probably this way on the back of each month, is a master task list with a column for personal task and a column for business task. This is the section in your planner where you write non-time specific events. And then it starts over again where you have your index, your month on 2 pages, and your master task list. And it's the same for each month. So now is your daily spread. This is a day on 2 pages. You have, and let me show you this up close, you have your date here in the upper left hand corner. You have, here's a holiday, so it has here New Year's Day. You have a legend here on the different symbols you can use in your prioritized daily task list. You have the current month that's bigger here, and then you have the prior month and the future month here. And then your prioritized daily task list is here, and then at the bottom you have your daily tracker, where here you can record almost anything you would like to track. And then here is a section for your appointment schedule. It starts at 8 a.m. and ends at 8 p.m. This format is very similar to my original daily planner pages. At the top here is a section where you can write in times if the times that are pre-printed don't work for you. And also here's a section where you can write in times at the end of the day. Then on the second page you have a whole page for daily notes. I love writing work notes here and notes about phone calls I've had and things like that. Also up here on top of the daily notes page is a quote, and you get a quote for each day. For example, this quote says, "No bird soars too high if he soars with his own wings," by William Blake. And that's a good reminder that no one achieves success by themselves. Over here is the date, and as you can see here, it keeps track of which day you were on in the year, how many days you got left in the year, and which week you are on in the year. And that's helpful for those who are trying to meet certain deadlines. So each day is the same, and as you can see, you still have that light grayish marble design on the side here. But it's very minimalistic, it's very clean, very neutral. For some people that work in professional settings, they don't want a planner that's too loud, especially if there's a chance for other people to maybe glance over and look at their planner pages. So this may be a great planner for people who are in a professional setting. On the back of each month, just like in the original daily planner, is a page for business expenses. So if you have a business, you can use this page just to summarize all of the business expenses for the month. So, for example, on the first column has the day of the month, and here you can write in the business purpose of why, where, and who. You can write in your odometer readings because some people who travel for business got to keep up with mileage. Here is a column for miles traveled. Here's a column to keep track of how much you spent for gas, how much you spent for automobile, travel fares, meals, lodging, and other. Now, let's say that you're getting this planner and you do not have a business. It is easy to repurpose these columns for however you like. Maybe you want to use it to keep track of a certain expense in your household. You can put some washi tape over this and write in whatever you'd like in the columns as you see fit. But I have seen people repurpose this if they don't have a business. And here I'm seeing a blank page or two in between here. So these pages can be used to write notes. So advertisement. So now flip through all of the daily planner pages, which are pretty much the same and look very much like the format with the original daily planner that I currently use. So now we're on December 31st. So the next thing that you get is, of course, your business expense page, which I just showed you. You get this for each month. And now you get a page of holidays and observances. So a lot of times you can be trying to plan out something, but you need to know the date that a holiday falls on. And the holidays continue on the back. Next, we get into our future planning calendars. I certainly use this, and this is certainly a great feature with this planner because sometimes things come up, and for example, your dentist appointment. So if you make a dentist appointment every 6 months, eventually your next dentist appointment is going to fall in the next year. Well, no worries. You have future planning calendars where you can jot that type of information down. So you get a page for each month for the future. So for 2022, you have a whole page for January where you can write in information. And these future planning pages also have the moon phases on there, as well as there are holidays on the future planning pages. And I love these and I use these a lot currently. So when you get to the end of 2022, then the future planning pages change, just like in the original format. And these are the planning calendars for 2023. It's more minimal because you're really planning out. So you have a page where you can plan out for 2023. There's a column for a date, and then there's the month. So if you have something 2 years from now, you can jot that down here on this page. And you also get a future planning page for 2024 as well. So that brings us to the end of this planner. So this format is very much like my original daily format, and I can't wait to see how this is going to look in 2021. Now I would like to do a writing test on this paper so that we can see how this paper stands up to writing and if you can see it on the other side. So the first pen I'm going to use is, this is called a Wanderlust pen by Cross, and it's sold on the Franklin Planner website. This is called Antelope Canyon. It's absolutely beautiful. So this is a ballpoint pen, so I'm going to test the ballpoint pen first. The next pen I'm going to test is, this is actually a roller ball pen. This is on the Franklin Planner website as well. It says Dream Start Here. And this one has a very fine tip as an ink pen. So I'm going to write here. And the third ink pen I am going to try is my Cross Edge pen, which is also a roller ball pen. So now let's see how it looks on the other side. It looks pretty good. I think when it gets to the ballpoint pen, you hardly see it all here on the other side. But when it gets to the rollerball pen, you can see it just slightly, very, very little. You probably can't even notice it. So it's pretty good. It's pretty good, but you still see a little bit of shadowing with the rollerball pens. So if you use a ballpoint pen, you're in good shape. However, the rollerball pens may show ever so slightly. You can barely see it. I hope you found this video helpful. Please let me know in the comments what you think about this planner and which planner you decided to go with for 2021. I love talking to you guys. This is Tonya, helping you feel more organized so this will be your best year yet. Take care.